Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. The plan is to start the the Shaolin engine rebuild. So here is the engine. So I'll start with redoing all the oil seals and bearings. But then there is a small update which you might have seen in the beginning of the video. So I have some more storage courtesy my wife, who gave me this old thing that I can use. So I just painted them all red. The other option was this blue, but then I thought red looks better than blue. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you guys on a tripod, and then we will start by cleaning the carbon off the old engine, and then we'll start the reassembly. Okay. Now that's what I call clean. Just take a look at it. This cannot be cleaned actually. This is a lot of caked dirt, so I'm not focusing on that actually, but look at the insides. So it's all clean. Now the next part of the game is to take out the oil seals and the bearings and install new ones. So I'll put you guys back on the track. Looks like we are missing a few bearings. So this is one. So this did not come, and it's not in a bad shape for us to replace one. I think this can temporarily do. Also, these two bearings I didn't get. This is a 6204. So this one I'm going to reuse the bearing that we have, also this little one. So yeah, there is nothing major wrong with it, otherwise I would have replaced it. There is no noise, so I'll apply some grease to it and then I'll put that back. Otherwise I'll have to wait for another week to procure this new bearing. Okay. Okay, so while I was in the middle of rebuilding the engine, I had to go somewhere to get some supplies. So right now, as you can see, the crankcase is still split. So before I put the crankcase back, I need to make sure that the kicker is installed properly. So I'll just show you guys how the kicker needs to be installed. So this is the side that goes into the right side crankcase. There are two washers, then there is a spring loaded mechanism. So that is thing is one of the most fiddliest thing in the whole Shaolin build. Actually, there is a small spring inside that puts a tension on this small wedge shaped thing. So I actually misplaced that spring, so I had to use one from an RX kicker spring. So now it looks all fine. We just need to install it and see how it works, but there is actually a proper position for this as well, but since this is the oil pump side, and let's see how it goes. So I hope that I don't have to split the crank again. So this thing is almost done. All I have to do is just make sure this goes under, and then after that I can close the crank case. So I think I'm going to call it a day today, because tomorrow I have office. It's just putting everything back, nothing major there. So yeah, let's kill this tomorrow, because my camera battery is also dying. So what we have achieved today is we have actually put the crank back in. We have changed almost all the bearings, and we have changed all the oil seals. So right now only a little bit of it is left. So